Welcome to the video overview of assignment number 6, the annotated bibliography. In your career, you may be asked to conduct research in order to solve a problem and/or make recommendations for a course of action in your workplace. To effectively do this, you must be able to conduct research using reliable sources, synthesize information from multiple sources, and communicate that information clearly and concisely. Since you have been conducting ongoing secondary research for your research-based technical report and oral presentation, you will now demonstrate understanding of how to create references in APA format and explain how you plan on using your sources and how they apply to your project. For your next assignment, you will write an annotated bibliography for your technical research report and oral presentation. For this module, you should complete the following: review the information in the instructional content folder, review the expectations for a paper in APA format by reviewing the instructional materials in the APA Tutorials and Resources module, and complete the annotated bibliography assignment and discussion board. Your task. For your 6th assignment, you will write an annotated bibliography. In your annotated bibliography, you will create a 7th edition APA reference entry, and then you will write an annotation for each secondary source you have collected for your technical research report and oral presentation. Your annotated bibliography should have a minimum of 5 sources. Your sources should be from within the last 5 years, or you should follow your instructor's guidance on how old your sources can be. Your sources can be academic journal articles, news articles, and/or web pages relevant to your research topic and question. This assignment is worth 100 points. Your process. This assignment involves the following steps. Step 1, review the instructional materials for this assignment. Step 2, review the rubric for the annotated bibliography. Step 3, post one annotated bibliography entry to the discussion board. Step 4, evaluate the draft annotated bibliography entries of at least 2 other students using the annotated bibliography checklist and post your evaluation to the discussion board. Step 5, revise your annotated bibliography entry based on the evaluations of your classmates and continue drafting the rest of your entries. Step 6, submit your annotated bibliography to D2L. Step 7, review your instructor's format. Feedback. Your format. The annotated bibliography should be 3 to 4 pages in length. Your annotated bibliography should list your references in alphabetical order, and your reference entries should be double-spaced with a heading indent. An annotation, described in the instructional materials for this assignment, should follow the reference entry for each source, and the annotation should be double-spaced. This should be written in the third-person point of view. Please make sure you reviewed the APA materials so that your references are created correctly and in the 7th edition, and you can click here to submit your assignment. There is a sample annotated bibliography that you may want to refer to that includes a title page and entries with proper reference formats in APA. The discussion board, along with the checklist, is also posted here. And finally, the submission folder for this assignment. Please be sure you reach out to your instructor if you have any questions about this assignment. Thank you.